Still playing hide and seek. Dust builds up every week. Pebbles piled on the floor. Milk will spill when children pour. Playdates often end in glitter. Why can't cats clean up their litter? Coffee grinds that hit the ground. The cordless hand vacuum to have around. For fast cleanups, take home a Black & Decker cordless hand vacuum. Portable and affordable at your favorite stores from Black & Decker.
Introducing the Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor. Zeus is the first ever tire monitor to be able to detect slow leaks with its advanced data mining technology. This proprietary algorithm called AccurateTemp analyzes pressure and temperature data over time and alerts you to any slow leaks that other tire monitoring systems would have missed.
So now we're in the app. We'll connect to Viva with Bluetooth. So we should connect the phone to the car's Bluetooth.
Hi, I'm Roviva.
Alexa, how's the weather?
In Oakland Gardens, it's 36 degrees with intermittent clouds. Today, you can look for lots of clouds, with a high of 48 degrees and a low of 36 degrees.
Ansell BD310 is a new generation 2-in-1 OBD2 scanner which provides both Bluetooth and handheld modes. It's not only a diagnostic tool but also can be used as an automotive computer with digital gauges. Helping you diagnose the engine error codes and monitor real-time data. Its trip management function allows you to record the driving time, distance, and the performance test function, and can do the acceleration performance test and braking distance performance test, and so on. Meanwhile, you can use it to generate and share the diagnosis reports with your friends or mechanics for further repair. Its battery detection function helps you to monitor your vehicle's battery automatically with reliable real-time graph data form instead of a direct result on the scanner screen that an ordinary code reader does. And so, BD310, 2-in-1 automotive trip computer and diagnostic scan tool.